Fellow traders and investors, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are diving deep into the exciting world of technical analysis. We'll be exploring an advanced chart pattern that can give us valuable insight into potential trend reversals, the triple top and triple bottom reversal pattern. You may already be familiar with the double bottom and double tops because I have already done a video on double bottom and double top, so you can check that out for yourself. You can learn a lot from that video as well. Now let's look at how triple bottom reversal pattern is formed. This occurs when price is reversing from a downtrend to an uptrend. So when we are in a downtrend and we found this formation in the downtrend, especially when this formation, which is the triple bottom reversal pattern, forms and breaks the neckline and then move upwards, then we can say that our trend has changed to a bullish trend from a bearish trend. You will barely see this kind of formations on your chart, but it is good to know about them. Now, how do we take trades with triple bottom reversal pattern? Many traders will wait for the neckline to break and then take trades from the initial breakout, depending on the candlestick that is formed, or a bullish reversal candlestick. Other traders will also wait for a retest back to this neckline with a reversal candlestick, then they continue buying. So they wait for a retest on this same neckline, which is our resistance thing support, then they can now continue buying. I would prefer taking my trade from the third bottom when I see the price action that is being formed around the bottom here with a reversal candlestick. So imagine I take my trade from here. It means that, imagine I take my trade from here and price goes up. It means that I'm going to make a lot more profit than taking my trade from the break of the neckline or the resistance level. Profit taking method on triple bottom reversal pattern is just the same one that I have taught on double tops and double bottom. So if you are yet to go and watch that video, please, I would advise that you go and watch it and learn how to take profit on triple bottom reversal pattern. Now let's move to the triple top reversal pattern. So whatever I have taught on the triple bottom reversal pattern is the same thing that will happen on the triple top reversal pattern. Like I said, the triple top reversal pattern is just the same as the triple bottom reversal pattern. Now with the triple top reversal pattern, when this pattern is formed in an uptrend, then it is telling us that price is reversing to a downtrend, because I said earlier that this triple top reversal pattern and triple bottom reversal pattern are reversal patterns. So when this is found in an uptrend, especially when the neckline is broken and price is heading downwards, then it is telling us that the trend has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. Now, how do we trade triple top reversal pattern? What we need to do, or what conservative traders will do, is that once the neckline is broken with a bullish reversal candlestick, then they take their entries at the neckline. Other traders, like I explained earlier in the triple bottom reversal candle, will wait for a retest back to the neckline, which will now serve as our resistance level, with a bearish reversal candle, then they continue selling from this point. But what I will do is that I'll take my sell trade from the third pick, looking at the price action that is formed around this area and a bearish reversal candlestick, then I can buy from this point. So like I said, imagine then I can sell from this point. So like I said, imagine selling from this point to this point. It means that I'm going to make a lot of profit than conservative traders that will take their trade from the neckline or from the retest of the resistance level. Now, how do you take profit? Let me just say something brief about that. If you want to take profit at this point, you measure from, let me use the ruler. So you measure from the peak to the neckline. That is, if you are taking your entry from the neckline or on the retest of the resistance level or the neckline. So you measure from here. You measure from, let me use this rather. You measure from the neckline to the peak. So the number of pips you get at the peak, that is the same measurement you are going to use when you are taking your entries from the neckline or from the retest point. So if this is the number of pips that you have measured from the neckline to the third peak, then you have to take the same profit from the neckline or from the retest point. So that is that for triple bottom reversal pattern and triple top reversal pattern. Now let's hop onto the chart and see how these patterns are formed. This is an example of a triple bottom on a real chart. You can see that we have the first bottom here, the second one here, the third one here. So this side is 7 as our support, and then this side is a neckline which is 7 as our resistance level. So you can see that price was trending downwards, and then eventually price rejected this area, rejected this area, rejected this area, which is our pre-bottom, and then broke out. So now when price broke out, you can see that it came back for a retest here and then continued moving up. So this triple bottom in a downtrend movement is telling us that price is about to change its direction or its trend. So you can see that price broke out, came back for a test, and then continued going up. Now, this is how conservative traders will take this trade. They will take this trade immediately this breaks out from the neckline, and then others will also wait for a retest or a pullback to the neckline, and then they will continue buying with a bullish confirmation candle. You can see how this market bought to this extent. So I was also saying that if I want to take my entry, I'll take my entry from the third touch or the third bottom, depending on the price action that is happening around this area. So this is that for the triple bottom, and I've already taught you how to also take profit. So let's move to the triple top. So this is how the triple top reversal pattern looks on a real chart. So you can see that we have the first peak, the second peak, and the third peak. We have the neckline here, we had a breakout, the retest, and now you can see how massively price has fallen to the downside. So how do conservative traders take this trade? What they do is that the first peak traders wait for price to break out from the neckline and then enter immediately with a bearish confirmation candle, and then also the other second traders will wait for price to pull back or test this neckline, which is serving here as our resistance point, and then wait a bearish confirmation candlestick and take a sell. And I am telling you that if I want to take this trade, I'll take my entry from the third peak, depending on the price action that is forming around this area, and a bearish confirmation, then I can take my entry at this point. So imagine I took my entry at the third peak. It means that I can take my profit somewhere around this area, or I can take my first profit around this area, then I can also take my profit around this area, which means I'll be making more profits than those who take, or the conservative traders who are going to take theirs from the break of the neckline and the retest of the neckline. Now, how do you take profit on this triple top reversal pattern? What you need to do is you pick your tool, you measure the number of pips from the peak. That is This is for conservative traders. What you need to do is you pick these two, you measure from this point to the neckline. So when you measure to the neckline, the number of pips, to be at the safer side, the number of pips from the peak to the neckline should be the same number of pips from your entry to your take profit, to be at the safer side. Or you take your profit at the nearest support or resistance, or the previous low. Yeah, you take your profit at the previous low. So this is that for the triple top reversal pattern. Take the time to analyze charts, spot these patterns in real life, and gain confidence in your abilities. If you found this video helpful and you are excited to learn more about technical analysis and trading strategies, don't forget to give it a thumb up. And hey, if you haven't already, why not hit the subscribe button and join our community of traders? I'll leave the link in the description. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take the time to analyze charts, spot these patterns in real time, and gain confidence in your abilities. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to learn more about technical analysis and trading strategies, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't already, why not hit that subscribe button and join our growing communities, which I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Until next time, happy trading, and remember, knowledge combined with action is the key to success in the market. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.